Our position in FLNG, wow, look at the reversal bar here. You know, I mentioned this last night. The 50-day was going to take out the 200-day moving average, absent an act of God. They tried to negate it. They failed. Too bad. So this is probably going to come under some pressure here. Look at the volume it rose today. But it's yielding over 11%, so it's paying us. So gold, the probability of a 50 basis point cut dropped by half. So no surprise here. Gold took it on the chin a little bit. It's just a minor setback. Gold stocks also pulled back today, but I got to tell you, this is pretty impressive. We broke out yesterday, pulled back today, and then closed back above resistance. That's pretty impressive on NUGT. That's really, really good stuff. That makes me optimistic. GDXJ did the same exact thing here. The junior miners pulled back to the retest. I think this is setting up for a follow-through. I think that this is just a minor setback for gold because they're not just going to do one cut. Silver pulled back today. Again, this is a reaction to the dollar, reaction to the change in the probability of a 50 basis point cut. Silver miners, again, similar to the gold mining stocks, they rallied off their lows. They did a retest of support. Palladium disappointed us, but rallied off the lows. We'll hold it. Emerging markets pulled back, rallying U.S. dollar. No great shock. We're still looking for a higher low here as well. That may give us the reason to get a higher low. Stocks we're watching. Morgan Stanley filled a gap today. I would not chase it. Volume was good. C3AI, it successfully recaptured the support level today. Up nearly a half percentage point. Very thin volume. I want to check the intraday price action because I could have sworn at one point it was a little bit weaker on the day. I want to see the intraday trade. Yeah, this is a good chart. They spiked it, dropped it, consolidated it for the remainder of the day. This can move up higher. NVIDIA, we have a position here. We closed smack dab into resistance. Volume has been light. SMCI closed up 1.7%. New daily closing higher high, but it just couldn't close above resistance. Coinbase retested a breakout point. It's a little bit sus, as my daughter would say, suspect. Boeing, that pulled back a bit. No follow through on yesterday's bullish reversal bar. SoundHound pulled back again today, only fractionally, not a big deal. Checking in with the Google. Here we go. Told you, this is unsustainable. You got to get a higher low. Now, if it pauses here and we break out higher, I would be a buyer. This is what we're looking for. Let's get our crayon out. This is a setup. Last night, this was this. Today, it's this.